Yo, welcome back. I'm doing a quick one on this bumper, this R32 style bumper. It's an eBay bumper. I'm not even going to leave the description or where you can get it from because it's absolutely crap, man. I'm going to show you what you have to go through for this to fit properly. It's mad. And they did say in the description that it was an unfinished. Well, I think they just say that just to save themselves. But this here, have a look at it. I've had to. This is the bumper, yeah. I put the exhaust in. You saw the last video that I done opening the box. You have to cut up basically up the top so that it basically fits here. But with this bumper, if you used to use an exhaust, like a non-custom exhaust, you're gonna have issues because from here you can see the back box. I don't know how to take this off because you can basically see the back box. So what's gonna happen is when the car's down on the ground, you're gonna see the exhaust from the back. Let me know what you guys think about when you can see the exhaust from the back. Like, I mean, when I mean the exhaust, I mean the whole back box, the pipe and everything, not just the tips. Mad. So anyway, this came, it was grey, and it is fiberglass. First of all, when you're getting these fiberglass parts, then absolute arsehole to fit. Absolute arse to fit. Pardon my French. Also, it was too short on the sides here, so I added a little piece, and I'm gonna be sanding that down. All this stuff here, this stuff is all stopper when you got like loads of little holes. So basically, had loads of little holes, loads of little holes. So I need to fill those in before I can carry on. But to get this to fit, it was really hard. It didn't fit at all. You need to cut, you need to grind down a whole lot of the inside for it to fit in. And when it is finally in, then you need screws to hold the pegs in. So there's no clips. The pegs don't have clips on them. So it will push in, but there's nothing will clip into it. It'll just come back out. So once you pushed it in, you need to hold it in with screws on each peg, if you get what I mean. So yeah, this is it's supposed to be this, basically, right? And I measured it. This sits 1.5 inches lower. So this is up way too high. It's basically looking like it's gonna look like a girl with a short skirt. It's gonna look mad, but I'm gonna finish priming it. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna finish up on this side, sanding it down and filling it again, and then smoothing off all this, and then I'm gonna prime it. And then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I'm not painting it here because to get paint job done here is mad. So to get any paint work done, it's just gonna be way too expensive. So for now, I think I'm gonna prime it in black primer and then wrap it. So wrap the whole bumper. I'm actually thinking about wrapping the whole car. What color do you think I should wrap the whole car? I'm gonna be wrapping the whole car here as well. It's gonna be mad. I was thinking, I'm not gonna tell you what I was thinking, but what color do you think I should wrap the whole car in? Let me know. Anyway, peace out. And it's a quick one. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you think about the exhaust, and let me know what you think about the diffuser. If you would use it, if you would go for the hassle, or if you just use the original R32 one, which is quite expensive, but I think it may be worth it, man. If I knew this fit like this, I must have wouldn't have done it in the first place. But anyway, stay tuned. Peace out. Thanks for watching.